distributed groceries to the 50 families of Kindipada, covering rice, wheat, tur dal, shakkar, soap, onion, potato, etc. and 100 masks. Total cost of the project 18,000. And on 17th of May, we had another project at Kindipada itself. The food grains and 200 masks, 35 t-shirts and food items were distributed to them. The total cost is 17,000 plus 12,000 in kind. 35 t-shirts we have received in donation. 17 plus 12, 29. These are the two major projects. Other smaller projects I am not going to tell. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Open the mic. Nobody is from Thane.
Yeah, I will give a precise of activities of Thane. They have already paid their fees, which I have received the receipt today, though they have paid 2 months back. And my president, I think he had bit of problems in the hospital and he had some personal problems. However, he is coming out of that problems. Now, even his son had to be given kidney, which his wife has donated. We wish them all the best in good health back. And as far as our activities are concerned, one or two I will enumerate. One was gloves, mask, sanitizer was given on the spot, immediately attended and handed over personally by a group, by our team at Police Commissioner Office, Thane. And second project was distribution of food items to the stranded workers. At the beginning of the COVID breakout, many workers were stranded and we gave them food and also food packages. These are all, this is the two main projects they have completed.
I want to inform you that BOD list is not sent to by Thane. BOD list is not sent.
Haji?
BOD list is not sent.
That I will tell them. Yeah, I will tell them.
Powai group? Anybody from Powai? Rambagh? Mr. Dr. Matre? Dr. Matre? Dr. Matre is there?
He has come in. Matre was there, Iyer was there.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
We can hear you. This is Dr. Ashok Matre from Giants Group of Rambagh, Powai.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, everybody.
Chembur group, Chembur green है क्या Chembur group? Chembur diamond.
Hello.
निकाल दो.
Matre, please proceed.
Hello, can I go ahead?
Please go ahead.
Yeah. This is Dr. Ashok Matre from Giants Group of Rambagh, Powai. We actually taking into consideration of COVID-19, we decided to take utmost care of all the individuals and bought the electrical spray sanitizer and sodium hypochlorite as a sanitizer. We started the sanitization of societies internally every month since April, May, June, July, August, September, October. At the same time, distributed the homeopathic immunity booster pills, Arsenic Album 30, to every member of the societies every month. During June auspicious Giant Day week, in the fond memories of respected Padma Shri Nana Chudasama planted the neem trees, chafa trees, and the tulsi trees in societies by their chairman and the members by taking utmost care by wearing mask and hand gloves. With the kind help of BMC, Mr. Lande, we sanitize the external areas of the society's walls, cars, and all this sanitization was done outside also. And then we also distributed the food packets to all the watchmen in these societies. Like everywhere, we conduct one event every 2 months. We now await for the betterment. God bless all. So we have done, all the societies members and the chairman, they are really calling us the COVID warriors. So we are really happy that Giants Group of Rambagh has done a great job during this period. And me myself was, attending each and every event, right from April. Thank you very much.
Mr. Dr. Matre, what is the strength of a group?
Haji. Yeah, we have already, members, 20 members, we have already paid the fees in June only. And really, they're also, because of this COVID, they were not able to come to the societies, but I was there alone. I was trying to do, and I went to even Chandivli, where there also we did the sanitization into societies. So, we are really happy to payment and all, everything is being done in June only.
Pawan,
There are 5 members, yeah.
वो speak करनो जे तो छा करनो आ first तब है जो.
Sorry.
Matre,
Haji.
we want to know the strength is how much? 20? Dr. Matre,
Membership strength.
the membership strength is 20, no? Okay. Powai Metro. Mr. Ganesh. Mr. Ganesh.
Hello.
Mr. Ganesh. Anybody from Powai Metro?
Ganesh Iyer was there. I saw him.
He was there. Okay.
Yeah, I'm here from Powai Metro actually as well. Tejas. Yeah, but
Just you can give the report.
so no, I don't have the report with me right now. But Ganesh would have done it, but he's left the meeting, right?
Okay. Now we go to Ghatkopar group. Bharwani?
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I represent Ghatkopar Central, Giants Group of Ghatkopar Central.
I know, Mr. Bharwani, no?
हाँ. हम लोगों ने 20 मेंबर्स की फीस पे की है जून में.
Okay.
20 मेंबर्स की फी पे की है और बीओटी की लिस्ट भी भेजी है.
Okay.
हेलो. और
yes.
हम लोगों ने अब तक 10 प्रोजेक्ट किए हैं और जिसमें इम्पोर्टेंट जो प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग का था 70,000 का, वो वर्षा मेहता ने अपना स्कूल जो बंद किया उसमें जो फर्नीचर था, कंप्यूटर के टेबल्स, चेयर्स, वो कामराज नगर के एक ट्रस्ट को डोनेट किया. वो हमारा मेन प्रोजेक्ट था. 1 जुलाई को किया था.
Okay. Okay.
बीओटी लिस्ट वगैरह सब भेजी गई है. ओके सर.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. अच्छा, चेड़ा नगर. Mahalakshmi. President Mahalakshmi. Rita Vasan.
No, Mahalakshmi is there, na? Hello?
Mahalakshmi ji. हाँ बोले मैडम.
Mahalakshmi is there, na?
But unless he speaks out, how can you know?
Huh?
Unless he speaks out, how can you know? उसको बोल दो. उसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि महालक्ष्मी जी किधर है?
Mahalakshmi? She would have gone because they took long time.
Okay.
चाय
मैं
पीने
बोल
के
दो,
लिए गए हैं क्या?
मैं बोल दो.
Yes, yes, please, please.
The group has paid. This is Giants Group of Chedanagar. They have paid full subscription for 20 members are 20, and they have also sent the list of board members.
Okay.
Anything else?
And just tell about some projects what you have done.
That project, you want me to tell you? That I have to go through. I don't. That paper is with her only.
Okay. Can I talk to the? Thank you very much, madam.
I can say something
Anybody else
that we
who
have
can
done
speak
in
about
the
that project?
Daftari sir. See, we have done in the we are the first one to do the project in March month, March 21st or 23rd, then 27th. So many every week we used to do. Then also we have done in April, May. Exactly what are the things we have done? We have to see because it is with her only. It is not with me.
Okay.
So
Okay.
she has to only tell. I think she left because of too late.
Okay, madam. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Chembur, can Mr. Rajan?
Kadam is there, na? Rajan is the not the president. Kadam is there.
Kadam is there. I have not seen him. That is why.
ये सब लोग लेट हो गया तो चले जाए.
Mr.
Let
Kadam.
Kadam speak, na? Kadam is there?
Mr. Kadam.
This is what happens, na? Let them hear. It's my turn.
He's not there. From Panvel, Mr. Matkar.
Suresh will give report.
Please. Yes, sir.
Matkar, Lokhandi, Vaishampayan.
Yes.
Good.
Next
Good.
attendance. Panvel.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Please spell out.
Sachi, your speaker is off.
Speaker.
Your speaker.
Your speaker is also. Matkar, you have to keep the speaker on.
मैंने जी आपको स्पीकर चालू करने के लिए.
Hello. Suresh, speaker. No, he can't listen it.
Just give a call to him.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
But his speaker is off. Matkar, your speaker is off. Put on the speaker there. Corona.
Yes, now you have.
Go ahead. Now it's on.
Can you hear me?
Voice. Yes.
Hello. Can you hear me?
म्यूजिक कुछ रखा है क्या बैकग्राउंड में?
Yes, members. Yes, sir. 28. Hello. आपका बैकग्राउंड साउंड कुछ आ रहा है.
हाँ, कुछ म्यूजिक रखा है क्या?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, now we can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Acha.
Here.
member state is 21, 28.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
July, 2 members expired. So now BOD list is already
Yes.
sent to headquarters.
Mhm.
Then all the members, membership fee is already paid for
Mhm.
28 members. Hello? Yes.
Okay.
Then because of this corona lockdown, we had the handover charge on 3rd of May.
Okay.
Because in June, we took Zoom conference meeting, and in
Okay.
that handing over charge was given to incoming President Sunil Shetty.
Okay, fine.
Okay, and then hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Carry on.
And then during lockdown period, almost 20 lunch packets per day to nearby villages we distributed. Also
Okay.
sanitizers and masks it distributed. For that, police help was taken to observe this discipline.
Okay.
The giant group of Panvel donated 11,000 rupees for this.
Okay. Okay.
One of the member, Bhavesh Dharesha, distributed water bottles and glasses during this period.
Okay.
Then on 12th April, we distributed almost 40 grocery packets in slum area in Karindade village near Panvel. For that almost cost is around 20,000. Then on 20th September, blood donation camp along with this general meeting was taken at Ganpati temple. This hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
During that period, we paid homage to 2 members who passed away during this period in the month of July.
Okay.
Ganesha arranged mineral water for the camp. 118 bottles were collected. 30 members participated in the camp. There was given a steam vaporizer as a token for the participation.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Matkaji sir, Suresh bhai, thank you very much. Okay. Acha. Anybody from Oxygreen?
Nobody is there from Oxygen.
Okay, in the morning he talked to me that he will be joining Zoom. Acha, Panvel madam. Anybody from Belapur? Mr. Thomas?
No, I don't think that he has not come.
Quran.
I think Mahalakshmi has come, I think.
As you said, Mahalakshmi.
That day she is on can see her.
Spell out.
Yes, sir.
Is he audible?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening. May I proceed?
Yes, I can listen you.
Okay. We have paid our dues for 20 members.
Okay.
Our list of board members have been sent to you.
Okay.
And the activities done during all these months are also sent to you. But if you want me to read out, I can do it now.
Please do.
Yeah, in the month of March, actually the process of helping the poor and the needy started from the very beginning of the lockdown, and it goes on till now.
Okay.
On the 27th, 29th, and 31st of March, the dance group of Chananagar was engaged in helping the poor and the needy with masks, sanitizers, and other essential articles, food packets, ration, etc. The details of which I have given very, very clearly in the report that I have sent to you. In the month of April, also assistance to the needy people continued with cooked food packets packed drinks like Amul Lassi and all that, and pure water to drink. The police personnel and the dedicated volunteers helped a lot in the distribution of things and the old and the needy, and for the old and the needy. The police station was sanitized, and the members of the police families were all provided with masks and other necessary requirements. In the month of May, what is it? Established by going, the International Labour Day was celebrated by giving fruits and sweet packets to all the needy, and particularly to the migrant workers who were left helpless during the COVID pandemic. The Giants played a great role in helping the migrants and their needs, and they were taken care. In the month of June, a noticeable work was done by Giants. A few gutters had clogged very badly during the heavy rain, and the nala started overflowing with filth and dirt. The members of Giants, they took it up very seriously and engaged people from the BMC and some dedicated volunteers, and cleared the clogged area and made that area all right, and by which so many residences and so many places were free of this hazard. Under the guidance of Lalita Vasan, they took up this as a very important work, and with the help of BMC, volunteers took up the work of cleaning the mess. All the residences along this area were benefited by this. This work was greatly appreciated by all. And in the month of July, the tree saplings were distributed to people, but because of these prevailing conditions, it couldn't be done as elaborately as we used to do before. But still, we had gone to cooperative societies, temples, and railway station and police station to put up these saplings. This year, August 15th was celebrated in the police station itself, because we wanted to honor and felicitate these COVID warriors. So Independence Day was celebrated there, and the police officials were honored, and they were all rewarded. The children of these policemen who had performed very well during the last year for the 10th and 12th standards were also rewarded, and they were also felicitated on this day, and the policemen were very happy. So that's for that. That's what Chedanagar has done during this time.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Before I proceed further, I want to inform some vital information.
Okay.
In Federation, it's okay. It's good. Nothing for you. It's for the Federation. To all the members, we will have to inform you that we want to keep 1 minute silence for the. There are
Okay.
4 of the group of the two.
Okay.
Okay, madam.
When are we
Nothing
start-
for you, madam. Nothing for you. It's okay. Okay. 2 persons, members from the Panvel, one member from the Giants group of Chembur Green, and the son of Mahesh Mehta. So we want to keep 1 minute silence for everybody.
Oh, sure.
This is Mrs. Chari. Mrs. Chari,
Yeah.
our former president's wife, Mrs. Chari expired.
5 persons are there.
Erunkar also from Uran group.
Yeah,
Erunkar.
Okay, 6.
Erunkar is our member from Uran.
Yeah.
So please keep a silence for 1 minute.
Yes.
Okay. Now, something people have done a good work also. Son of Mr. Mahendra Bandia has been uplifted by Aditya Thackeray for telemedicine for the COVID-19. And he said good work has been done by the son of Mr. Mahendra Bandia. Chembur Green has won 40 smartphones, which is something unique work. They've done it in this pandemic.
Daftari, Ghatkopar is reported?
Huh, they already reported. They reported.
Ghatkopar
Bharwani is
reported.
Bharwani is
Roshan Lal is there from Uran. You asked him to read the Uran report.
Yeah.
Mr. Roshan Lal. Roshan Lal.
Acha, Ghatkopar Perwani has reported. Acha.
Yes.
So Uran Roshan Lal is there, right?
Roshan Lal ji. Roshan Lal ji. Roshan Lal is not there. As he left.
Here. Previously he was.
I know. Okay, so these are the some achievements and some loss also. So this is how the thing has worked. Now I will give the platform to Mr. Mahendra Bandia, Unit Director, and Ganesh Iyer as a Vice President. There are only 2 persons are available. Mr. Mahendra Bandia.
Yes.
Your observation.
Good evening. Hope you all are safe. I am Unit Director for Unit 3, Federation 1B. 4 groups are under me. My home group Panvel, Uran, CBD, and Oxygreen. Can you hear me all?
Yeah.
Yes. Carry on.
One group's report I have received, and they have 14 members. Out of 9 members, dues are paid, and 2 members' dues are going to paid in this month. They have sent the membership list. They have not done any projects so far.
Okay.
They have to move on, and senior members to take initiative to push up and bring the group on track, which was the best group 3-4 years back, even better than Panvel. Higher authorities, central committee members, federation president.
You have to take the initiative. You are directly in charge of that unit, and we are there always with you.
I am trying my best, but
we are there.
in spite
Definitely, we will be there.
repeated reminders and all these things, if anybody does not do anything, then higher authorities have to look after it.
We are there.
I think so.
Yes.
We will
I
discuss
will do
the problem. We will try to solve it.
Yeah. As far as CBD and Oxygen is concerned, they have also not reported anything, and I don't think that they have paid any dues.
No, they have not paid any dues.
In view of the above situation, I have a suggestion for CBD and Oxygreen. Both the groups should be amalgamated, and one group, at least one group can be active that way.
Okay.
Higher authorities to look into the matter.
Okay, sir.
Have they paid last year? I think Oxygreen has paid for last year.
I don't think that they have paid anything.
No, last year they have paid last year. And
they have paid last year, as far as my information is concerned. Sachin Iyer, please.
Mr. Upadhyay Menon.
Last year, the Oxygreen is paid.
Shall I complete my report?
Sir, Oxygreen paid for 25 members.
First one.
See, Mr.
Last
Upadhyay,
Year, no?
They paid 25 members we had last year, and they paid for the full 25.
And the last, my home group. Shall I continue?
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Mahendra bhai.
Which I was there till the end. बोले. ठीक है चालू अभी अभी सुनेगा ना
Hello.
नहीं सुन
Yes, Mahendra bhai. हाँ बोलिए बोलिए.
I am continuing. The last, my home group Panvel has done marvelously under the circumstances of Corona and is totally settled. Have many stalwarts, Ashok Shah, Kirti, Ranade, Matkar, and taking care of the group. New group president Sunil Shetty is doing his best. Done good projects during COVID. Particular to be mentioned, blood donation camp where 118 bottles collected. Great achievement. Our team is solid and helping each other. Every president, whenever he takes the charge, gets full support from all the members, and our fellowship is also good. Every month, one general and one board meeting with dinner. At least 2-3 picnics a year, special Dandiya program. All these things have created bonding within ourselves. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Mr. Ganesh Iyer. Mr. Ganesh Iyer, I think he's left. Mr. Ganesh Iyer?
No, he's not there in the group. He's
I think today's meeting at Mr. Lalitwan, she has also left. And Mr. Upadhyay Menon, your observation. Your observation.
Lalita is there?
No, she has left, no? She must have left.
She's not there. She's not there.
At the outset, this initiative is commendable. We have incorporated a very informative lecture and all within the limits and framework of COVID. We were able to communicate each other. And as far as timing is concerned, we are well managed in time. As far as this meeting is concerned, one should realize unit conference, as per our earlier practice, used to be 1 day program, 2 days program, 2 full days of continuous programs in unit conference. Then it was reduced to 1 day, that is morning and evening session continuous with the lunch. I have organized a unit conference with 236 members in Kalwa with the neighboring groups, few groups from outside, but for the unit. So let us have our mind clear. Unit conference should be time taking, time consuming, and effective and result oriented. As things advance, technology changes, we will have more efficient methods of communication, and the final result must be more results. As far as seniors are concerned, they had to see that their people along with is working together, and from unit director, from president has the responsibility to run the group in a systematic way. The unit director has a responsibility to see that the groups under him works. He has to offer help. He has to take initiative. He has to get the result. Here we have federation vice presidents. They have responsibility of certain groups under them, and in general help the weaker groups to achieve better. And the federation president has the responsibility to see that his federation is running well. We compete with ourselves, improve from ourselves. Let us not compare the others, but keep an eye on others to see what things are, what the world is. Let us not lag behind. Let us forge ahead. Situations, I don't say it is normal, but in spite of this situation, keep your eyes open. See the federations in the neighborhood. They are marvelous achievers. Where we stand, we have to improve. We have to improve within the framework of the situation provided. Whatever possible best. Let us join hands together, whatever possible ways, to take the situation for better achievement. We have committed people, our personals are very good, very committed and social minded. Let us together give shape for better achievements. In spite of the COVID conditions, many of us has done marvelous job. Panvel, Chembur, Ghatkopar, Mulund, Thane, Powai. All these groups, as in spite of the restrictions, ventured into area of activity, and let us take responsibility, a few groups on each person under them, and see that their whatever their limitations, we can help them to overcome that limitations. I think our federation has to go further towards achievements, and we are on the way of achievements. Our projects are commendable, but definitely there is scope for improvement and achievements. All the best, and congratulate all the groups who has done marvelous good projects in spite of the COVID conditions.
Daftari sir, I would like to speak.
Yeah.
Hello.
Please.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, you can go.
I am very happy to know the way we all have worked in spite of these difficulties, difficult times. All the groups have done a wonderful job in helping the needy and the poor. I congratulate all the groups and wish them good luck. Bas na.
Daftari? Daftari, you are.
Yes, sorry. I like to inform that the membership strength now of the Federation 1B is 202. And still to come, because we have not got information from Chembur Diamond. We are waiting for that. And Oxygen, if they will be joining, and Belapur joining, it will be more. I wish everybody a good success for this day, and all the best to you for the coming days to come. We wish our further programs will be in the same line, Mrs. Sasi Nair is there with me now. Mrs. Sasi Nair, your observation.
Well, like all of them said it, under the current situation, whatever the groups have done, I think it's a remarkable job, because it's quite difficult to do service activities outside of your society and go out into the market and do anything. But whatever efforts have been made by all the groups and whatever their reports they have read, I felt it's a really good job. And given the type of activities they're doing and the involvement they are showing under this condition, I'm sure once the conditions ease out, they will outperform what they have been doing so far. That's what I have been saying, everybody. Only thing is we need to pursue upon some of the groups who have not paid. Like, for example, Oxygreen is nowhere to be seen, whereas last year they paid for 25 members. This year, they are nowhere to be seen. So we'll need to be really after them. And another group, Chembur, I don't think will come back now. They have already gone off this thing. So we have to look at various other options for replacing that group by somebody else. Otherwise, the number of groups will fall down. And I think that Madam Lalita Vasan can take a lead in that area, because she is from that place. Chedanagar, Chembur Green and all she has done. So she has got that kind of influence where she can create one more group, you know. I'm sure she will be able to do it this year. Whereas,
you can do in Powai also.
yeah, Powai, now I am just waiting for Appukutan's return. Unfortunately, he's stuck up there. But he is another dynamic person who is able to pull the strings.
Ask him to start a group there now. Powai will sponsor a group in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is there.
Problem is then he will invite all of us there.
Oh, we'll go. We'll go.
That's my observation. And anybody...
Yeah, Bandhyaji, we will go in a group to Hong Kong. If Appukutan sponsors a group, we will all go in a group to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Sir, only one thing, request to Mr. Sasi Nair and Upandaman both. The Thana group is sending the BOD list at the earliest possible to the headquarters. BOD list from Thane has not gone.
Come again, what did you say?
BOD list, board of director list has not gone to headquarters.
From where?
Thane.
Thane group.
BOD list.
I'll speak to Ambedkar. I'll speak to him today, sir. I'll speak to him. I'll ask him.
Yes, sir. I got the information.
Hello?
Doing the follow-up, they have done it, but somehow or other things have not gone. We'll do it. And I think with this, I conclude my meeting over here with this. And thank you very much for giving it. It's a quite a long time, exactly 2 hours we are talking, seeing each other. Thank you very much. All the best to everybody. Take care.
Yeah, we are so far yet so near. So far yet so near.
And happy Diwali to you in advance.
Okay. And this is a facility we got all free of charge, without much expenses, and we should utilize this kind of situations to the maximum. In fact, I think many of the people are not fully aware. I fear, because after sending all these things, Bandhya may see, Daftari may see, Shashi may see, but there are people who will see it the next day. If the previous day they see it is okay. If the next day they see it is of no use. So somehow oversight or something, we will have to call them, we will have to talk to them. Because now majority people are friendly with Zoom. Majority of the people are friendly with the Zoom.
Correct.
The limitation is not there much now. पहले था limitation सबको था, हमको भी था.
Okay, Mr. Menon, I think we can go off. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. All the best. Happy Diwali to you in advance. Take care.
चलो
Thank you.
दिखता है ना सबको.
Okay, thank you very much.
चल.